Hey guys, I am super excited. Look what arrived today. It's my new Kinstone tablet. So we're gonna take a look at it together and unbox it. Okay, so let's take a look together at what's inside the box. It has this protector sleeve, and there's another one inside. This is how it comes packaged. And then it lifts right out, and it's all wrapped up again in the sleeve to keep it nice for delivery. There's the camera on the back, and there is the front. Beautiful. I am so excited. And I will charge it up so we can see how it works. And inside the box, I'll just show you as well as I'm taking it out here. It comes with a foam insert to keep it protected. I'll just put this down here for a second. And then on this side, get that out. There would be, this is probably the adapter it comes with. Yeah. Yeah, so the adapter charger is in here as well. So let's get this going and we'll take a look at it. Something I thought was great is when I went to plug it in to charge it, it actually comes 99% charged, ready to go. Hey guys, so I've been having some fun playing with my new tablet, and one of the things I also wanted to show you was it also has this protector on the screen that it comes with. So you want to make sure you take that off as well, and let's get into it. Okay, so my new tablet is a powerful octa-core processor with high quality metal shell. It's the newest Android system, GMS certification. It'll launch 20% faster than Android 10. This tablet can also fully access Google services. You can also download others from the Google Play Store. It has a 4G LTE network, 2.4G and 5G dual Wi-Fi, playing games without getting stuck. Supports GPS positioning even without Wi-Fi, making it easy to find your way outdoors. In-cell full lamination IPS screen, 10.3-inch screen at 920 and 1200 FHD IPS resolution, and in-cell full lamination. It has 4G built-in RAM and 64 GB ROM storage and a maximum 128G micro SD card to easily expand the storage. Equipped with a 7500 mAh battery capacity, you can surf the internet for 10 to 12 hours. It is a good partner for home travel, suitable for gaming, reading, and watching any kind of videos. I am taking this tablet everywhere. It's going to be perfect to watch a movie on a plane, or for the kids to play when they're waiting for their brother or sister to get out of dance and hockey. All the games that are on here, this is awesome. I am so glad I bought this tablet.